It's National Homemade Cookie Day, and I'm going to show you how to put the whip on a pack of cookies. It's National Homemade Cookie Day, and I'm going to show you a quick way to make some really good homemade cookies.
Okay, I'm about to put the whip on this little pack of cookies. It's oatmeal cookie day, and I'm going to take this Betty Crocker 3 easy steps, and I'm going to add a couple steps. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of this carnation milk, or 2 tablespoons of carnation milk instead of water. I'm going to add some oats. I'm going to add some sun-made raisins. I'm going to do 2 eggs instead of 1. And then I got my half a cup of butter. It's going to be tasty.
Then I'm going to add some pure vanilla. And then I'm going to add some chips. All the ingredients just need to be thrown into a mixing bowl really quick. There's no particular order with this situation. Throw those raisins, chips, vanilla, that extra egg, butter, all of that goodness into the bowl and mix it all up thoroughly. You never want to overmix. I do believe in an extra egg. I do believe in butter and using milk instead of water. Never add water. They just really mean liquid. Then I added nuts. I forgot about my pecans. Yes, honey. What's an oatmeal raisin cookie without pecans? Then I took a spoon and dropped them all on the cookie sheet, threw them in the oven, and voila! We have delicious homemade cookies in half the time. No stress, really easy. Presentation is everything. I set the cookies all out there, all beautiful. Instead of milk, I served mine with wine. It went over just as well. Try it. Be adventurous. It's super fun, super easy.